Show me how. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how I fixed these tube hangers. This vintage 70s, late 60s, early mid 70s Nutone doorbell chimes. Okay, now you can see that I only have 3 tubes hanging. All right, now when I came across this unit, there was only 1 tube. All right, and it just would go ding, ding. Now with 3 up, let me see if I could hit the doorbell. The doorbell's sticking a little bit. I'm gonna have to clean this. Let's see if. All right. So what I'm gonna do is show you what I did. All right. And I don't like to edit anything because you folks, the viewers, the wisdom seekers, can always speed things up. Right? Right. So let's get into it. I saw somebody else who had a weird technique, or not a weird technique, but they had their own technique on how to do this. Let me see if you could see this tube. All right. So I'm gonna have to work like this, so to speak. Anyways, I hope you can see this tube. Let me see if you can see the tube. All right. Can you guys see that tube? Yeah, maybe I'll get it over here, all right? So you can get a little bit better light on it. All right, here we go. So if I'm sitting down, okay. It's kind of hard to do this. I'll do this standing up. Anyways, so what you have here are these little hangers. Let me show you. Stay there, stay with me. All right. This is what's happening. Okay, if you have one, this hanger, this loop is part of the hanger that's left over on the chime, the tube. So it's supposed to look like this, and then it hangs on the arm. Okay? It hangs on the arm. They break, they get brittly, they break off. So I saw somebody talking about doweling, okay, and doing some other interesting things with glue and whatnot, and I just looked at it because I did want to try to do something with this. So what you need to do is first take this out, and he had mentioned that you could break this, so I've tried to be gentle, and I've managed to get them all out, and hopefully this last one I can get out, or I'm going to be a little bit bummed out. So what I did is I took, now see it's out, hopefully you can see that, it's very hard do this on camera, but let me make sure you see that. You guys see that all right? Good. Okay, so that's the piece you want to take out right here. All right? And it's a T on the bottom of this. That's how it locks on to the little arms here. So once you stick it in and turn it, then it locks in on the short part of the cross. And then this is what it looks like, the skinny arm that probably gets brittle and it just breaks off. So this is the problem. That is the leftovers in your tube. Crucial if you have that. If you have that, it's a game changer compared to what the other gentleman did, who's a pro, and I'm not. But I am wise. All right, now, what I'm gonna do is, and hopefully I can do this, last one. I'm gonna drill a hole in the top of it. Can you guys see that? Let me see. Yes, you can see that. Okay. All right. I'm going to drill a hole in this. This bit's a little dull, which really doesn't make me happy. But it's my last one, and I don't feel like fetching. So make sure you have a very strong bit. I should have already been through this, but as I mentioned, the bit's dull. Could have filed it, put it on a grinder, but this is the third one I've had to do, and I'll be through it in a second, okay? So what I did, and you want to take a small bit. That one was a little low, darn it. Okay, so you could use grips, pliers, whatever. What I did was I drilled a hole, okay? I drilled a hole in that puppy, all right? And that's the cross, or that's the bar that will lock in to this, all right? If you can see that. You see that T there? This bar will go in long ways, and then you turn it 90 degrees and it'll lock in behind the shorter part of the cross. Now, once you got the hole in it, you got your hanger. So this is my third one, and it's taken me all of about 15 minutes. And, you know, I don't know what to say about the other guy, but he had a heck of a video, that's for sure. And I like the way I've done this because it's still original, and I still have a lot of the original concept by keeping this piece still alive, still in the game, okay? So this is all I used, really. I never even used these needle nose. Small clamp that for kitchens, 90-degree small needle nose, cordless with a drill bit that was dull, that was not wise. Here's the leftover arm, all right? Oh, shoot, there we go. The leftover arm, and then what I'm gonna do, getting a good sweat going here. What I'm gonna do is take everybody's string, all right? Now this is a little bit fatter than what I wanted to use. So I'm not sure, maybe I'll strip them. The good old ties. Now this is a heavy one off of, I think when you buy those garden hoses from like Costco or whatever, the ones that are guaranteed for life and they last like 6 months. And then you threw away your guaranteed for life receipt and the cover that said they're guaranteed for life. So I'm gonna try to strip this. Okay, I got it, good. All right, because this one's fat. The other ones I used were off of bread, off of the loaves of bread. So who knows, I might change it to this because this is good stuff. Here, boy is it, huh? ShowMeHow's fighting it. But, I mean, this thing sounds great. Okay. All right. Check that out, folks. Now watch this. I like to do things the right way. Now, the one thing I shouldn't have done, and just to make it easier for you folks, I was so anxious to show you how to put this back in. I need to take it out because what you need to do first, and it wouldn't be extremely crucial, but a lot easier, all right, is putting the wire in, okay? And here you go, man. This is really the ticket right here, all right? This is a ticket, okay? Now, you do want them to be even, and I'm not going to worry about that right now, okay? I just want to make sure the thing works. Because the hardest part is this. You know, just getting this to where it's stable. All right? This is it. This is what you'd be looking at. All right? That thing's solid. Rock. All right? And you've got the original component, which is what I like. That is what I really enjoy. All right? 90-degree turn. I mean, this thing's going nowhere. Okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is try to get you out of here if I can. All right, with my camera. It's not easy. Could edit it, but I'm not gonna, all right? I'm not gonna cheat. There's the clock. Let's go over the clock. All right. And the clock, door turn. All right. I think this is the second one. They basically do a tiered sizing on this. All right. There it is. Show me how. Now what I'll do is get my flashlight because it's not easy to see up inside of there. Okay. Now they have some Mickey Mouse wiring up here. Dirty hands, you know, I've always got the dirty hands analogy. Yeah, no, I shouldn't say that. People are always trying to do stuff. Mickey Mouse or otherwise, okay? So that's it. All right, that's what you're looking at. And they probably should be spaced out down below. They should be tiered a little bit better, all right? Let me zoom out on this. All right. Now, when I came across this little bit, and I didn't know what it was about. And then when I had looked in the closet, there were more tubes. All right, cool little piece. Let me get back here on it. I don't know how this is gonna sound. I did cover it up when I was dropping the acoustic. Now you see these here? These two should probably be a little bit more, I'm sure. All right, so let's see now. My switch is a little bit sticky here. There it is. What do you guys think? Not bad, huh? For a non-pro. Alrighty. I just showed you how. Show me how. Out. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Viewers, subscribers, love y'all. Just trying to show you things that I deal with when I remodel. Thank you. Spread the good word.